Radon is a radioactive gas. It comes from the natural decay of uranium that is found in nearly all soils. Because radon is the number one cause of lung cancer in non-smokers, it is important to test your home for radon levels. This video will walk you through the radon testing process in 4 simple steps. Prep, test, submit, ship. First, prep your home. At least 12 hours before starting your test, close all exterior doors and windows and keep them closed during the entire test. You, of course, can open and close exterior doors to come and go, just don't prop doors open or have windows stay open during the test. If you don't follow this, your test results will not be accurate. Central air or heating can be used as normal with the fan on auto, but swamp coolers cannot be used during the test. If you have a swamp cooler, test your home in a colder month when it isn't being used. Also, avoid using exhaust fans during the test, and if severe weather is in the forecast, wait until it has passed before testing. Step 2. Test for 48 hours. Once your home has been prepped for the test, you'll need to place the test in the lowest potentially livable level of your home, even if it's an unfinished space. A bedroom or common living area is ideal. Do not place the test in a bathroom, kitchen, closet, furnace room, crawl space, near heating or air conditioning vents, or any location where air will constantly flow over it. The test will need to be placed on a chair or table that is 20 to 36 inches above the floor and a minimum of 12 inches from exterior walls, 3 feet from windows, and at least 6 inches from any other object. Now you can start the test. Open the plastic bag that contains the radon test. Either take a picture or write down the serial number located on the clear side. Then, place it paper side up on the chair or table you have selected. Make sure to not puncture or remove the paper cover on the test. Your test has now officially begun. Write down the date and time you started the test and set a reminder on your phone to stop the test in 48 hours. After 48 hours have passed, place the test in the included return mailer, seal it, ensuring it is airtight, and write down the date and time you ended the test. Run the test for 48 hours. Tests that run more than 96 hours cannot be processed. Step 3. Submit your test information. Now that you have ended your test, you will need to submit your test information to the lab. You can access this form by scanning the QR code provided in the one-page test overview document. Step 4. Ship your test back to the lab. Place the provided shipping label on the back of the mailer. The back is the side that has the checklist. Mail the radon test promptly, within 1 to 2 days after finishing the test, because it is time sensitive. The lab will not analyze your test if it is mailed more than a few days after finishing. Once the lab receives your radon test, they will provide the test results via email. You can plan on the results being emailed to you within 7 to 14 business days. If the test results indicate elevated or high radon levels, we can provide you with helpful information and a free no-obligation quote to fix it. That's it. If you have any questions or need help with the testing process, call us at 801-871-0715.